Defining name is finished. Now it is time to insert data. Insert data. Today I received data that shows me who is present, who is absent, and who is in the rest or mission. First, I insert 1 in present column in all cells. According to the informations, project manager is in rest. So I give 1 for project manager in rest column and erase 1 from present. Piping foreman and site electrician are absent. Don't forget to remove them from present column. I remove site electricians. Also, I insert the machinery work times. Insert formula in form sheet. Now it is time to fill out the form worksheet according to the informations in list. Here we just need a formula to read present from present. Same read rest, absent, and mission columns. Okay, now I'm going to form sheet to type the formula. I'm thinking, which formula shows me the result in present column which is written in list worksheet? Also, it should be summed. Because here we have 2 project control and planning, and it must be summed up. These ones should be summed, so the sum formulas are used. Let's ask you a question. Which sum should I use? Yes, SUMIF. Range is list.p. I say from this position column in list sheet, find project manager. So criteria is project manager cell. Since now it found project manager. Now what should it do? It should sum the present column. List.pre. The same formula for rest. Select list.re as sum range. Oh, 0 is shown. I have to control it. Go to list sheet. We added 1 in rest for project manager. Why should it be 0? We use names here, right? So I have to control the names. Which names we used in form sheet for rest? List.p and list.re. Press escape from keyboard and go to formulas. Name manager, list.p. Select and press on this small box near formula bar. That is correct. Now select list.re. Again, press on this small box. Yes, here is a problem. Instead of selecting just rest column, 2 columns are defined to this name. So I select rest column as range and expand it to 200. That's it. Don't forget to press on this check mark. Now you know, if you face such problem, what should you do? I intentionally did it to show you where the problem is hidden. Let's continue. Look, it is okay now. In rest, it shows 1. I type the same formula for absent column. And sum range is list.ab. And mission list.mis. It's okay. I'm gonna extend these formulas to other cells. First, I have to fix the criteria with $sign with pressing F4 from keyboard. A must be fixed, but 11 should change. So, A gets $sign. I do the same procedure to other cells. Now drag them down. Control the formulas. Yes, that's correct. In total column, I use sum formula to sum up each row. Then extend to the end. I don't want to see zeros in cells. Press on File, Options, Advanced, under Display Options for this worksheet, unselect Show as Zero in cells that have zero value. We can also select other worksheets and uncheck this box. And OK. That's it. All zeros are disappeared. Wait, something is weird here. In total column, piping format is 2, but it should be 1. As I know, we have just one piping format. One is present, one is absent. How can it be? Let me check the list sheet. Piping format is in 2 cells. I forgot to remove piping format from present column. Conditional formatting for errors. Errors in filling of every forms like this is high. Fortunately, Excel provided many commands for a user to reduce such errors, like names, formulas, and even conditional formattings. Yes, here we can use conditional formatting to detect these errors easily. First, select the cell which you want to highlight. I select first cell of rest. Go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting. From drop-down menu of Conditional Formatting, select New Rule. I talked about conditional formatting, but not this part. Because this is very easy, I decided to introduce you now, but later we will talk about it broadly. I select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In this bar, I have to type a formula. When the present and rest ranges contain the same value, highlight the cell. So I type equal, present cell, equals with this rest cell. Because we are going to apply it to all cells, that's why I need to erase some $signs. By expanding the range, they won't change. And it won't work, just these first cells change. F should be fixed, but 3 must change. So I delete the second $sign from both. Then select the format. And press on OK. Now I can apply this format to all columns with the Format Painter. Or select the formatted cell. Again, go to Conditional Formatting. Select Manage Rules. The rule is shown here. Now, Applies to. Select the range. I want a rest column to be highlighted. Select Rest Column Range. Then OK. I do the same procedure for absent column. Then OK. You see, it is detected that piping format is written 2 times. This is what intentionally I did to show you the power of conditional formatting. So, I deleted from present. Now, one step is remain for mission column. Let's highlight it together. I need to check it. The range. Just select mission range and OK. Here, pay attention to the highlighted cells which has numbers. Let's back to form worksheet and fill out the department section. It is the same formula, but this time instead of list.p, the range is list.dep. I'm gonna assign it to one cell, but the remain is your homework. For team leader in present, I click on this blank cell and start to type the formula. Or making my job easy, just copy the cell of present from top and paste as formula here and change its contents. I double click on the cell to change the contents. Okay, the first one is list.dep. Team leader is the criteria and sum range is list.pre. That's correct. Now press on enter. The result is 10. Let me check it. We have totally 11 team leaders and one is project manager that he is not present today inside. So it is 10 and this formula is working correctly. Please fill out these cells yourself to be familiar with the nature of this formula and dynamic forms. Now let's come to the machinery part. I copy and paste the formula and again change the contents. Range is list.mch. Criteria is G11 with $G and sum range is list.mwh. This is the time. Oh, this is because the format of the cell is not time. Select the range, right-click, Format Cells. In Number tab, under Time, select Hour, Minute, and Second format. Then OK. Just change the alignment of the cell. Selected, right-click, Format Cells. Alignment, and the 0 degree, and OK. Expand the formula. That's it. Please complete this form later. I leave it to you.